Cool winds begin to sing, echoes of time in everything. The colors blaze so warm, so true. A canvas painted just for you. Beautiful autumn shining bright, dancing flames of red and light. Moments fade but hearts still know love will bloom as seasons flow. Fields of amber, skies of gold, stories of life in silence told. Walking slow through fading days, dreams arise in autumn's haze. Hold this moment, let it stay before the chill takes it away. In every falling leaf we see a gentle song of memory. Beautiful autumn,
This is my little brother George, and this is Mummy Pig, and this is Daddy Pig.
Under the sunlight, hearts collide. Golden beams where dreams reside. Holding hands, the world feels new. Every smile belongs to you. Shadows fade, the sky is clear. Whispers of love draw us near. In your eyes, the stars still shine, even brighter in daytime skies. Love in the sunshine, warm and true. Every day I'm close to you. Golden fire, endless glow. Together forever, this I know. Soft winds dance across the sea, songs of hope surrounding me. Every touch is light and free. You're the sun that carries me. No clouds can hide what we have found. Your love's the light that wraps around, and the warmth will always stay, shining bright in endless day. Love in the sunshine, pure and strong, a radiant flame that lasts so long. September morning, sky so bright. New beginnings, a guiding light. Books in hand, the doors swing wide. Dreams are waiting. through the struggle, I'll be strong. Learning is where I belong. I will study hard each day, chasing dreams that never fade. Walking through the morning light, campus shining pure and bright. Dreams are blooming day by day. In this place we laugh and stay. Friendship circles, hearts so near. Every smile is crystal clear. Songs of hope begin to rise, echoing beneath blue skies. A beautiful campus full of cheer. Memories growing year by year. In every class, in every song, we find the place where we belong. Steps are steady, roads are wide. Knowledge walking by our side. Every lesson lights the way to a brighter, better day. Hold these moments, let them stay. Golden times will never fade away. Together strong, our spirits high. Beautiful campus shining true. A world of dreams for me and you. Under the sunlight, hearts collide. Golden beams where dreams reside. Holding hands, the world feels new. Every smile belongs to you. Shadows fade, the sky is clear. Whispers of love draw us near. In your eyes, the stars still shine, even brighter in daytime sky. Love in the sunshine, warm and true. Every day I'm close to you. Golden fire, endless glow. Together forever, this I know. Soft winds dance across the sea. Songs of hope surrounding me. Every touch is light and free. You're the sun that carries me. No clouds can hide what we have found. Your love's the light that wraps around. In the warmth we'll always stay, shining bright in endless day. Love in the sunshine, pure and strong. A radiant flame that lasts so long. Golden leaves drift through the air. Whispers of change are everywhere. The harvest moon lights up the skies. A gentle glow in lovers' eyes.